Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm back with a haul. This is my Grove Collaborative order for March 2018. I kind of order the same things mostly from month to month, but this time I'm just gonna grab out of the box and just go with it because I don't remember everything I ordered. Oops. Okay, first things first, some glass hand soap bottles. I decided I want to redo the hand soap bottles that we have in the kitchen and the bathrooms. And so I'm going with this really pretty design that Grove Collaborative offers on their website. It's by their brand, and this is what it looks like. It has their name on one side, and on the other side it has a little white leaf design. I don't know if the camera will focus. You can kind of see that. So I thought it was really pretty, and I got 2 of these. So once I use up all of the plastic hand soap method dispensers I have, I'm going to fill these up with new soap, which I've decided to go with a pink soap. And so I bought a refill of the Method Gel Hand Wash Refill in Pink Grapefruit. I kind of ordered this based solely on the color. I've been using the cucumber something. It's the green one by Method, the cucumber soap. And I really like the smell of it, but I think that this would look really pretty in the bathroom. You can't go wrong with the pink. Speaking of more pink, I got my favorite Method Moisturizing Body Wash in Magnolia. This is the body wash that I use, and I love it. It smells really good and fresh and floral, but it's not in your face floral. So yeah, I really like that. It smells so good in the shower. I've been trying out a lot of new to me hair products. So I'm trying out this Curiously Clarifying Lemongrass and Argan shampoo. I've been trying out their Mega Moisture Argan and Pumpkin shampoo as well, and I really like that. I hope to have like a really good roundup of cruelty-free hair products to share at some point. So right now I'm just trying a ton of them out. Most of them are from Acure, some of them are from Shea Moisture. I think that's it. But yeah, so I got that to try out. I also got a bar of the soap I like to use, which is the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile bar soap, and I've tried a couple of the scents. The unscented one, of course, is probably really great for people who are maybe a little sensitive to scents. Sometimes I can be, but peppermint is what I'll be using next. Right now I'm using up the rose scented one that I actually got from Thrive Market, but I don't think that I saw the rose one on Grove Collaborative's website. Next, this was for free, I think this was, no, this was not for free. Every season they'll offer you a free product in your order, and so I think the next one that I grab out of the box will be the free one. But this is a hand sanitizer spray in blood orange with moisturizing coconut oil, and I like to carry around hand sanitizer. I know that the best way to clean our hands and to keep germs at bay is definitely with washing with soap and water, but if you're out and about and you don't have a way to wash your hands, I think hand sanitizer is really a great thing to have in your bag. So we're gonna try this one out. This next product was the free product in this order, and this is the Lavender Castile soap made with organic coconut and olive oils. And I think there were 3 scents, and I got the lavender because I really love the scent of lavender. If you can't tell, I really like floral scents, so they're just my favorite. Let me smell this. You know, lavender is just so different depending on what brand you buy the product from. That smells really good. I like that. It has, I like the herbally kind of lavender scent. I don't want it to smell like fake, you know, that smells really good. I'm happy with that. I have one very boring product, and it is 7th Generation Rinse Aid. That's for the dishwasher. I use the Method Dish Detergent Pods and the 7th Generation Rinse Aid. And next, for something that might be a little bit TMI, I don't know, I don't think I've ever really talked about these types of products on my YouTube channel, but I use the 7th generation free and clear chlorine-free pads. So there's that. But yeah, they're great. So that is what I use all the time. So I don't know if anyone needs any cruelty-free feminine product recommendations, but there's one for you if you do need that. All right, so that is it for my Grove order this month. I hope to share a lot more of these because I am so bad about just like unpacking the box and putting everything away before I even think to film an unboxing. So I will leave my Grove collaborative link down below. I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.